And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 30. Let me show you how you can arrange objects. I simply create basic shapes here, a rectangle, a circle and a triangle. Let me give that different colors. And you can already see the triangle is on top of the circle and a rectangle because this shape is what I've drawn last. So whatever you draw first will be at the bottom in the hierarchy. Let's call it a stacking order. And what you draw last will be on top. But you can change that over here. So these are 4 arrange options. Back 1 will bring it 1 step downwards in the stacking order. And there's also forward 1, which will bring it 1 step to the top. And then you have center back and move to front, which are the extreme cases. So you can put it entirely on top or entirely at the bottom. And you can see that in real time on the right hand side in the layers menu. So this is the stacking order. Blue is on top, now blue is in the middle. Green is at the bottom, now green is in the middle. And this is how the stacking works. One more thing to mention is this will only be available in vector mode. So if you switch to pixel, for example, this will vanish. Make sure that you've got it set to vector and then you can use these arrange options in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.